Hey guys! I made a decorative wall mirror using leftovers from an abstract mirror that someone wanted. This is the design that I made after I was done with the abstract mirror. Now let's start with the mirror that I was asked to make. Now the first thing that I did was to take a poster board. And with this poster board, I'm going to be drawing out irregular lines that I'm going to be using for the abstract mirror. This is what the curved lines should look like. And now I'm going to be cutting them out with a pair of scissors. I'm sure that at this point you're all wondering what I'm trying to make. And I am just trying to make an abstract wall decor based on a photo. Now I do have to apologize for the way the photo is blurry. That's because I zoomed it in to make sure that I give you guys an image of just the mirror alone. Now I place a board, and this board is the measurement of the mirror that I'm going to be using for the middle. And the cutouts are going to be laid around the board. Some of the first set of cutouts were laid close to the board. And now I just kept adding all the pieces until I was okay with the desired fullness that I would want for the abstract wall decor. Now I took a ruler, and all I'm doing now is measuring the four sides to make sure that they're all equal. When I was done with that, I took Elmer's school glue, and that's what I'm going to be using to glue all the pieces together. I did not use a hot glue gun here because I wanted enough allowance to move the pieces around if I need to. So the school glue is just fine for this. I turned it over, and as you can see, it's very light because it's just a hardened paper. So I'm going to be using craft sticks to make sure that all the pieces at where they meet and the overall design comes out strong. It is important that you cover as much space as you can with the craft sticks, so that at the end of the day you can have something that's much more stronger than just paper. I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree mirror, and I'm going to be detaching it from the frame, and then I'm going to glue it onto the board that I cut out earlier. I place the design at the top with the mirror in the middle and making sure that it touches the points that have the popsicle sticks. Now I'm going to take larger craft sticks, and that's what I'm going to be using to connect the mirror together with the overall design. I glued everything with an E6000 glue, and then I also glued a hook to mount it on the wall. I used the photo that was sent as my guide, and this is what it turned out to be. It is a large abstract wall decor, and I love the weird abstract nature of the design. Now when I was done with this, I used the leftovers to make a pattern of my own. This is how I'm going to be placing the leftover cutout pieces. This is how I wanted the design to look like, and so I repeated the same step as using the school glue to glue the pieces together, and also using popsicle sticks at the back to make sure that it's strong. And then I took 1-inch mirrors and used them at all four sides. And then I glued the mirror to the middle using the same procedure like I did for the first mirror. Now I took red embellishments and gems to add to the glam of the overall design. I cut out the shabby sides that were all sticking out just to make sure that the mirror comes out neat. I also added more glam using the self-adhesive gem strips. And this is what it looks like mounted on the wall. If you notice any imperfection in this design, that is because I used leftover strips from the other abstract wall decor that I just made. And so I tried my best to make sure that it comes out the way I want for this design. This is a unique wall mirror design, and I hope you guys like it the way I do. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this wall mirror design, and remember to like and share. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.